This video will explain how to create meetings for private channels. Some of you have created different private channels for each of your sections of a specific class. If you've chosen to go that route, you don't have the option of meeting later or scheduling a meeting with that particular section. So anytime you set a meeting in the general part of your class, it's going to send a notification to everybody, not just a specific section. However, to create a meeting for a particular section, what you'll want to do is get into that section. You'll start by clicking the Meet Now button and go ahead and just starting a meeting. This would be good to do before students start, because otherwise all of your students are going to want to join this meeting because it will give them the notification to join. When you get there and you're just meeting all by yourself, and you'll probably have some other people who aren't there yet, in the participants section, so you're going to want to show your participants, next to where you type a name, there's a link, and you want to copy that join info. Okay, once that's copied to your clipboard, then you're going to want to clear out of here, and you can actually hang up on that meeting if you want to, and schedule your meeting. So if you have class from 10:30 to 11:30, make this bigger, you can paste all of the information for your Meet Now into that meeting. And then what you want to do is, if you've created a group or a contact list for your section, you'll want to do that. So here's an example of, if I've made a group, I would just click my group like that. If I've made a contact list, I can do that. Either way, you're going to have your recipients be the people who are in that group or that contact list. And then you're going to want to say, title it Section 1, Algebra, and do not make this a Teams meeting. If you make it a Teams meeting, if you click that over, then it's going to put two different links here in the body of your meeting. And that meeting will be a different meeting than the one that you just pasted in there. So do not make it a Teams meeting. Then once it's created and you have your recipients, you'll save it. And it should show up on yours, and then all of your recipients will also receive that same notification in their email and on their calendar. The one thing they should also know is that when they open this invitation from their calendar, there won't be a Join Now button over here. They'll have to look in the body of it and click on the Join Microsoft Teams meeting link there. And when they click that link and open in Microsoft Teams, and they can click it from Outlook or they can click it in Teams, then it will bring up this Meet Now meeting and they can join.